Rose, come here. Mr. and Mrs. Johnson is arguing again. Where? Over there. Oh. Why them ever can't argue, man? What's up? Yeah. Oh, hi, guys. So we're watching our neighbors arguing right now. So you guys can go ahead and watch the next video while we fast forward neighbor them argue. So check you guys in a little bit. Watch that big water going. Take a load off.
What?
Sorry, I can't work here. Why? Salon deduction. Let's take the hair out. My beautiful hair. Well, that's done. Let's go to school. I hope no one noticed. So caught up in finding a job, I forgot about school dances. Let me take a flyer. An exam. Forgot to study. Hope I don't fail.
How was the exam? How was your day at work?
Think I might fail. Work was horrible. Had to quit today. Now I need a new job.
No worries. I'll help you find a perfect job.
Thanks. Back at the mall? Oh boy.
Let's go to the food court.
Thought you said you're helping me get a job, not get something to eat.
What do you think about this place?
Oh, a job here. I like to work at Fast Burgers. Do you have any vacancies? He's getting the manager. Do you think I'll get it?
Yes, definitely.
So you want to work here? We have a vacancy. Can you start tomorrow? Yeah. Let's go. I start tomorrow. So excited.
I doubt you can mess this job up. Oh my, I'm so happy it's the last exam of the day.
You're telling me about it. I'm so glad we're free now.
Well, I'm off to the party planning committee now. The place is so loud, but the odds are so empty. Oh, there's the room. Where's everybody? Well, I guess I need to take a seat and wait for everybody to show up. Wow, Madam President, you're here already. Yes, come along, Chase.
Hope I don't fail this exam.
As we all know, Chase is a treasurer, so he has the key to the gym. Take us to the gym, Chase.
This way, ladies. This here winter formal is supposed to be epic, right, Rose?
Yes.
School, work, the things I do for money.
Does everyone have their list of what needs to be done? Okay, Ariel. Ansel, what are you doing here? Well, I'm gonna be a volunteer, but we have to get the rest of the trees and decoration.
What do you think, Rose?
I love how it's turning out.
Me too.
Well, everyone is starting to look very beautiful. Let's go grab some burgers.
Hurry and get to work, guys. You work here? I thought you were following me. Why would I be following you? Because you think I'm hot?
Let's go get a table in the back.
Okay, if you think so. Hi, guys. Hi, bae.
Good. You're here.
Wow, Chase, you're here by yourself? Where's everyone?
They say they're taking the day.
You did all this by yourself? Oh my god, you're so dusty. Let me help you. Hey, Cherry, why are you not decorating the gym?
Oh, I'm just taking a day to go buy a dress. Your girl is in there now.
So glad work is over. Nice to meet you guys. Now we get to take a load off.
What?